Teyana Taylor gave a show, honey. Like, hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period. Okay, y'all, I got clothes on, I promise. Under this, it's just, you know, a little strapless, you know, a little giving a little body. But if y'all are new here, hey, what's up? How y'all doing? If y'all returning subscriber, hey y'all, hey my girls and my guys, what's up? What's up? So I told y'all these videos coming back to back, and I've been giving just that. Okay, so y'all, I'm so excited because guess what? Yes, if y'all know, y'all know. My sister Teyana Taylor, y'all know them Taylors are bad, period. Okay, my sis is coming to New Orleans, yes, for the last Rose Petal tour. And guess what, baby, guess what? I'm in there like swimwear, okay? And before my sis make her grand entrance and touchdown, guys, know I gotta get myself together, y'all. So this video is gonna be a get ready with me for the Teyana Taylor concert, and that's just that. It's gonna be like my last get ready with me. If y'all haven't tuned in, y'all can tune in after y'all watch this video, period, because y'all know it's lit. Teyana Taylor gives a show. Like, I've been loving her since she was on My Super Sweet 16. Since maybe it's the liquor, don't know what it is, but it turned me on. Like, I love her, like, for real. And the last tour, I was kind of bummed because she didn't make way to New Orleans, but it's got to know she's running it back, okay? She's running it back full circle, and I'm in there, and I can't wait. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because these videos coming back to back straight like that, okay? I have to go to the mall. I have to run some errands before I get ready to go. I have to run errands. I have to go to the mall. I have to go in pink specifically because I have to give me some panties, some black panties, because I'm wearing some mesh pants.
I'm about to show my ass.
So I gotta go do that. So I need to go to the mall. Y'all know I gotta go get my face beat, okay? I gotta come all the way together. Don't come at all. Gotta get my makeup done. That is for $240. And yeah, and I gotta tame my hair, y'all. So I got some running to do, and y'all know, y'all know the drill. Y'all coming with me, okay? Y'all, I'm ready.
Personally, I'm surprised you bought me after the things I said. Skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like me. Was it more than
80 something or 100?
cause I'm off it. I said farewell, you took it well. I miss, I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two. Why you bother me with?
Girl, my girl told her my bag. She wanna be a big girl so bad. Now, before I go to my makeup appointment, I'm about to just wet my hair and twist it up. So these curls should be popping for tonight. So I'm about to do that right quick and then go to my makeup appointment for $240. It's currently, what's my makeup? It's currently 1:30. So I gotta get me together. I had to lay my lace down again because my lace was doing a fool, y'all. It was doing a fool. So I had to do that and just twist it up in some big old plaits.
Dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me.
Okay.
Okay, I slay all day. Okay, I slay all day.
Okay. That was a girl's trip. Okay, I slay all day. I slay.
I slay all day, all day, all day, all day. I slay.
Yo, she got me together as she should. Yo, she went to do her big one as she always does and do. Babe, I am ready for Junie. Babe, I'm ready for Junie to come outside on that stage. That's my girl. Girl, I was so weak, y'all. Whenever she was like, hey, yo, this my baby mama.
Hey y'all, this my baby mama.
Oh my God, Junie, get out!
Yo, she gonna cut up. I don't know who more I'm excited to see, Junie or Teyana. Like, it's late. I gotta go home, get in this tub, and get myself together, and I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all. So I am out the tub now. I told you what I was wearing. I have to physically show y'all because now I have 45 minutes to get dressed, and I still have to go on my hair again, y'all. So I'm about to show you what I'm wearing. I told you, but now I gotta show y'all. I'm wearing this cute corset. I got this from Shein. And I showed y'all this in my day in my life Sunday brunch and Nola type vlog. If y'all haven't looked at that either, I'm gonna need y'all to go. And these are my mesh pants, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's giving. So I'm about to be so good, about to come through. If you know, you know. I guess I'm gonna holler at y'all after when I'm doing my hair. Cause now I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I gotta go.
Yeah, and I'm like, yeah, everybody can. I can't trust nobody. Any we should don't want me to no call, bitch. In that, so, yeah, how I get that, yeah, and I'm like, yeah, everybody can. I can't trust nobody. Any we should don't want me to no call, bitch. In that, so, yeah, how I get that, yeah, and I'm like, yeah, everybody, yeah, and I'm like.
Yo, I'm gonna phone my grandma. It's 5:16. We supposed to be at the house at 5:45. By the time my mama get here, my legs gonna be in low shit. I'm gonna have my clothes on, so I'm about to hurry up. My hair's done. There's that. Yeah, I love them. So, period, Junie. See, I'm watching them. Gotta get ready for tonight. I'm so excited. Like, Teyana Taylor really my sis. They call me Teyana No Taylor. Yo, okay, so I'm almost ready to go over my hair. I'm wearing bringing out my gold tail far again with my gold and black Michael Kors shoes. So it's giving. Yeah, okay, I gotta show y'all the finished look, y'all. Cause my sister outside. So this is the fit check, so fly, make your bitch wet, okay, whatever. She's giving Teyana Taylor. She's giving, you know, I gotta represent for the Taylors. That's on period.
Hey, little shot she bad. Now watch her walk, ayy, she bad. Now watch her drop, ayy.
So we about to go.
The way it was, you was good on the love for favor. The way it was, you was good on the love for favor. The way it was, you was good on the love for favor.
Yo, so we made it to the concert. Now we in line. As y'all can see, the line is very much long. It's getting long. Look at my mama. Hey, mom. So we waiting. I gotta take a picture. She gotta take my picture. Yeah, she gotta take a picture before my hair gets super big. As y'all can see, I'm on my iPhone. You know, I couldn't bring my camera. So yeah. We're still in line. We've been out here for like 30 minutes. Really 45 minutes. And we're still in the line. Nurse is not here a long time. It's 8:33. So, waiting to go inside. It's hard. I need something to drink. It's not Your mama got us a drink. I have Patron margarita. She got Hennessy. She got Jameson. I'm trying to take pictures, but they're not coming out high. High. They'll wait. Ooh, he almost fell. Line barely moving. My weed is gonna be done, so I'm gonna have to redo it tomorrow.
2 hours later.
In an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, died and they died.
So Tiana did her third fizzle. She ruled the concert over. It's like 10 something. My cousin over there, she met us. She put up on us and stuff. But it was weird. I'm gonna tell y'all more about it when I get inside. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so I'm inside finally, y'all. But I could say Tiana Taylor gave a show, honey. Like, she gave a show.
That's how you fucking do it. That's how you clear a bitch. T-T. That's how you clear a bitch. Gracefully. That's how you do it.
But she rolled. Junie did her thing. Don't play with her. She said Google her. Google her, and that's that on that. What else? I met and took a picture with EJ. Y'all know EJ King, one of the baddest hairdressers in the game. Okay, took a picture with him. He was pretty dope. But the show was amazing. Like, to say it was a farewell tour and she's planning on not touring again, it was worth it. I just wish I could have been on that stage, baby. I wish I could have got the meet and greet tickets. That's that on that. But they sold out too fast, like I said. But Tiana Taylor is that girl, that B word. Them Taylors, serious. Okay, I sung my heart out. I screamed my heart out. Like, I feel so bad for anybody who watching my Instagram stories and Snapchat stories and streaks and all that, because I hollered till I couldn't holler no more. Okay, but the show was amazing. If y'all seeing this and Tiana Taylor haven't came to y'all city yet and y'all still have a chance to go see her, get them tickets. Okay, get the tickets. And that's that on that. Yes, I sweated so much. My wig is like kind of lifting up. I gotta fix it, and my makeup is still beat. So I think that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the notification bell, because these videos are coming back to back.